Good morning, everyone, and you're welcome to the day 6 of our 26 weeks of code challenge. Apologies, I still have my guitar, and so without wasting any more time or any much of our time or any more of our time, what kind of morning is this? Okay, so without me, what's going on? Why can't I talk? Without wasting any more of our time. Perhaps I should just speak slowly today, okay? So, without wasting any more of our time, let's check what we have for today. Okay, so this what's wrong with my mouse? What kind of day is this? So now it's working. Okay, so I think we'll have to. What? Why do they keep freezing? Wow, this is really going to delay this challenge. Wow. Okay. It's freezed. What's going on? Why does it keep freezing? Oh, I think I should just use the analog. I'm not that used to the analog. So I guess this is where it becomes helpful. Okay. Oh, alright. So today, day 6 of 26 weeks of code, CXS Flexbox basis. So we all know these other sections, of course. So I'll just skip this once and then go right to where the project and challenge. Alright. So here we have the project to be create a simple pricing card section, 3 pricing cards in a row using Flexbox. Card should include title, e.g. basic plan, feature list, pricing, and call to action button like sign up. Okay, just a simple pricing card section, then a button, and it's stuck again. I don't really think I can use the analog, but we're going to use it that way because I don't know what's wrong with my mouse. It's probably trying to be the boss of itself. So I'm copying this and okay, what's the challenge? Let's copy this first. Recreate a responsive layout for a theme section with profile pictures, name, title. But we're not going to do this challenge. It's just profile cards that are stacked next to each other. So I don't think we'll be wasting our time doing this. So I think we'll just have to go back to day 1 and 2 and then just tweak some changes there. Yeah, something like that. Okay. So project, but please make sure you do it. Don't skip this. So you have to do it. But for the sake of the length of the tutorial, that's why we're skipping this. Apologies. Still have my running nose. Okay. And Residi, thank you. Okay, so we have for day 6, I'm going to create day 6 folder. So we have day 6. Okay, so we have day 6. So it doesn't matter if I don't add space. In fact, I wasn't supposed to be adding space from day 1, but so it still doesn't matter. What's wrong with this? Where's the analog? Okay, so I've opened it. So you can see it's actually facing, the arrow is facing downwards, so it means it's opened. So I'm going to create a new file. Why does he keep what's going on? So I'm going to left click on this and then create index HTML. Index.html, and oh, sorry, this is actually image. Yeah, move to recycle, not image, but day 5. I just have to get this. Not day 5, day 6. New file. Okay, yeah, it's correct now. Index.html. Then, as we know, use also our style.css. Okay, so for day 6, let's go back to HTML. I don't know why this keeps freezing. Okay. First of all, our snippets. So shift 1, enter, and we'll be closing this. Just left click. Alright, so come on. Okay, so this was, what was the project again? Let's paste this here. Wow, it's kind of long. Okay, yeah, let's put some face. We create a responsive layout for its section. Okay. Sorry. Apologies. Okay. So pricing card section. Okay. Pricing card section. Instead of copying it, I can just type it. It's so lazy. Pricing card section. Okay. So pricing card section. So let's begin. Okay, so we have three pricing cards in a row using Flexbox. A row that's from left to right. Okay, card should include title, a basic plan, feature list, and price. So let's just quickly do this. It's as cheap as profile card that we've been doing repeatedly. So it is a must, or it is, I don't even know what to call it, but let's just say it is a must, like div. Yes, so I don't know, I don't even know what to say, but let's just continue. It's just a must to get our containers. Container. Then we've gotten our container, and I've gotten our container here. Container content, container containers contents. Okay, then containers contents, we should have div dot content. Then in our containers content, we can now have our h3, I think. What is it? Catch should include these stuffs right here. Okay, so here we'll have h2. Let's just use h2. Then h2 should be pricing plan. Okay, we have an example here. Since basic plan. Then underneath this we've got our div again, a div feature, and here we have our unordered list. If you don't know about unordered list, please go make a research. Let me just use this lazy method. Pardon me. I'm still going to type unordered list, please. It's unordered list greater than the list. And I'm not doing more than 4 features. Unordered list and unordered list to list times 4. So it's going to give us 4 lists in another list order. So that's it. Yeah, have another list and then 4 lists. So the first thing on our list for our basic plan, you have free Wi-Fi. Like, I mean, who doesn't want free Wi-Fi? Free Wi-Fi. Then for the basic plan, it's a basic plan. So you have free Wi-Fi. Then you have 7 days trial. Okay, I don't even know what I'm doing. Let's just add a bunch of stuff here. 7 days trial. You have 24/7 customer support. What are we even selling? Support. And we've got the last one. We have what do we have? We have yeah, okay. Then we have okay, we have free Wi-Fi, 7 days trial, 24/7 customer support, and daily updates. I think that's enough. Okay, sorry. Then underneath display, so I'm just going to, because I literally remembered pricing. So our price should be okay. Sorry, let's run this. We're supposed to start local web live server. Okay, it's going as planned. Okay, so right here, what's wrong with this mouse, please? Actually making it tiring. Okay, so we charge this. We don't charge much, so this is just going to be $800. Okay, yeah, that's it. It's actually too small. It's a regular per hour. I think this is better now. Okay, yeah, that's it. Was you afraid to reload the page because it looks like you're scared of seeing $800 per hour? No, it's actually too cheap. Maybe we should just make it 1,000. No. Okay, so let's just skip playing around and then go to the next one. So this tutorial seems finish too quick or too early, and I actually love it because I am not retyping all this. Never. Why does it keep freezing again? This analog is okay, it's actually fast, but I don't think I'm used to it. Okay, so underneath here, oh god, how do people survive using analog? Okay, so from here we'll have a call to action, and when we say call to action, that's button. So we'll have a button we should submit button set ratio comma submit. Yeah, this is one. Then we can say sign up, sign up. Okay, okay, you're supposed to have class btn. Okay, let's refresh this. All right, and now what we have to do is just style this bad boy. Okay, so god, I think I should just turn off the fan. No. Okay, so first thing first, as you all know, we actually don't want this what's this called again? Margin. The space. Space. Okay, so this first things up. I think time is actually not on our side, so let me speed things off. Oh, why does it keep freezing? What? Apologies, please. I'm trying to make this fun for myself also, but this thing is actually not making it fun this morning. Okay, so we have box size and set to butter box. Then we have our margin set to 0, and then let's check this out. Alright, so this is what we want. Okay, so the next thing to do is get this bad boy in the middle of the screen. Okay, so okay, then who's going to our container. Let's just check, please. So I actually need container. Let's check this container. So let's copy this. Come on. Shift back arrow. I think my mouse is becoming a good boy. Sorry, pardon me. Okay, so midnight 100 VH, and yeah, justify content center. That's to place it in the middle here. Then aligning of the item itself to center. Align items. What's wrong with this mouse, please? I thought you've changed. Okay. Then display, which is flex. Alright, so Excuse me once again. Okay, so we've gotten this guy to stay in the middle, right? So I think I'll be needing body here because I actually don't want to leave the background just like that. Body, so let's set the background color of is this kind of blue. This kind of blue. Yep, that's it. Yes, this one. And then color to white. Is it white? Yeah. I don't think this looks cool. Okay, let's just leave it. So we'll keep styling and then changing things to our taste. Okay, so let's quickly mouse. Let's quickly continue. Okay, then the next one we have content. Okay, so content dot content. Okay, so that's border. Then we have 3px as usual. Solid okay, let's just use white for now. Also, we're going to change all this later. Okay, what else is going to be margin? It's going to be padding, rather. Padding 10px. 10px is too big. I think it's worth it. Okay, and then border radius, please. Border radius. So border radius, this is 4px is enough. Okay. 4px, 6px. It's still almost the same, so make this 0 to 6. Okay. Alright. Apologies again. Let's just go with this. It's not even showing because it's white. Can't notice the groove airline. So let's leave it as solid. Okay. So wait a minute. Okay, yeah, that's it. There, it's too close up, so say line height. Line height should be 2 am. Yeah, 2 am. Oh, sorry. Okay, then text align to center for the basic plan. Text align center. Okay, then should we allow this flow also with it? I don't think it's looking cool this way. Oh, because the center of this one is actually basically it's just, let's do the centering of the text from each one's parents, not from the parent elements, their initial containers. I think that's all for content then. Okay, so the next person is Uh, I think it's content H2. H2 and P, we're calling you guys out. So H2 and P. So we just have to give you guys text aligning center. Okay. So we've got them in the center in the middle. Then okay. The contents, background, color. Okay, something is coming to my mind. Okay, it says to use this mouse. Okay, it says to use this right here, and then change this to something like this, almost a cyan kind of color, but a little bit deeper, like this. Yeah, I think this actually looks more visible, like this actually seems more visible in a color like this. Okay, so who is next? Yeah, so now we've got our feature. Feature. So feature, I don't think we would need to be styling feature. Sorry, oh my, what the hell am I saying? We don't need to style feature for anything. Why? Because they're already in grid, or should I say block format, and that's how we needed them. So I think the only thing we just do is call out UL that list, and then another list, and then say list style type, circle is for this desk. Let's use square. I think square should make sense. Let's see. So we're going with square. I think this should be better this way. Who's next? Okay, the BTN, the mouse, the button. So we're going to get a button that's .btn. So text align center. Where is it inside the container? No, it's not. Putting you in a container. Okay, it's inside container. Text align center. It's going to affect this one. Okay, so I'm going to create another container for you, which that should be dev button btnm, because your class actually was btn, so btnm. Then close button, close div rather, so close button. So we're calling this btnm, and then yeah, so only you should remain. And the center, of it all. So color should be white. Why? Because oh, sorry, no, this is BTNN, not BTN. Dot BTN. So this is the person we're making white. Alright, so now the color should be white. Yeah. Then once the color is white, the background color should be the one same as the one in the body. Okay. So margin top, let's just push it downward. Margin top additional 5px, so you can create a little bit of space at the top there. Well, I think 5px is actually kind of small. Is it 15? Okay, I think 15 works. Okay, so then padding should just be 8px. It's a button. Yeah, don't need it too big. So I'm going to use a radius of 10px, border radius of 10px to make it look like capsule. Okay, border radius of 10px capsule. Alright, so that's it. So automatically it comes with 3px groove black. So we're going to change the border to none. Yeah, that's it. None. Okay, let's just do one more thing just to make the button look somehow cool. So let's copying this again. So I'm adding column over. So that means once my mouse passes through the button, what should happen? So first of all, I want the background color to remain the same. No, I'm going to make the background color change. That's to make it okay. I think let's just use opacity. So opacity here should be 0.8. Then opacity down here should be 1. And then what opacity does is, okay, check this out. You see the background color of this button right here is kind of almost like this, right? But it's kind of like deeper or something like that. But once your mouse comes towards it, it brightens up. You can see it becomes same as this. That's what opacity does. So 0.8 means not to show all yet, but once you hover around it, then show the color. So you see, it's kind of like effect that makes you know that the button is active. Okay, we're talking about responsivity or responsive. What's going on here? This mouse, you're just delaying this stuff. Okay, then my cursor should be pointer. So what does pointer means once I have my cursor on it, it changes to a kind of like finger that's pointing. So let's refresh this and confirm. Yeah, you can see pointer. And then the next thing, okay, what can we just add? I think the padding Yes, padding adds more effect. So the other one we used, how many padding? 8. So this time around is going to be 10 px. Okay, well, let's refresh this and then yeah. Okay, I think makes sense. So that's it for no, that's not it. That's not it. What is it? Even we're supposed to have this here. HR. Supposed to have HR here. I think it looks a lot better this way. Then what I'm just going to do is from the first div to the last div, just like this. Then I'm going to say what was it called again? Price card 1 control / price card 1. Okay, price card 2, price card 2. Okay, let's paste this. Then we have our price card 3, price card 3. Alright, so I'm just going to refresh this. Boom. Okay, so we have them staying underneath each other. In fact, okay, so I think we've destroyed everything. Just imagine they're all holding the height of okay. Let's see if we can set them free. What's going on? Set them free. Okay, so we're using one container then. It's because of the container that we have this chaos. No, I'm supposed to leave this one. Then I'm removing this one. And 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 that's all. Okay. Okay, container looks like you will be needing margin. Where are you? Container, okay. You will be needing margin, yeah. Margin all around 6px. Whoa. I think it's even smaller. 15px. Whoa. Maybe we should use your default margin. Let's see. Let's see the default margin. It's still attached together. Let's see. No, padding isn't going to do it. Let's say justify content. Space set to center. Let's use space around if it's not going to destroy it. Spacing only. Okay, I think it works now. Alright, so that's it for the tutorial for today. That's okay. That's actually not it yet. So that's what's your problem, bro? And the mouse too refuses to move. Okay, so I'm coming. So let's go back to HTML and basic plan, pro plan. Okay, standard plan. Let's see standard plan. So this is going to be 1,800 per hour. The same free Wi-Fi and Netflix. Note 7. This is going to be 27. 247, still 247. Daily updates and quotes. So I'm just going to steal what's here. And then bring it right here. Okay. Free Wi-Fi and Netflix also. 27. So I think the difference should just be 100 days. 100 days trial. Then this will be $5,000. Yes, is my pricing plan. It's not yours, so you can make yours $10 if you want. So this is pro plan. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so thank you for sticking with me to the end of the tutorial. Once again, my name is Gus Favor Ibrahim, and I'll see you in the next challenge tutorial.